Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from eTimes TV.
So, welcome Saloni. This is Sukarna. Welcome to eTimes TV. Glad to have you today for our chat.
Yes.
So tell us, you are
Me
looking
too.
very peppy and cool in your recent looks on social media. Tell us what's the secret?
There's no secret. It's just that I've got a lot of time to actually click pictures for Instagram and get ready and wear all my good clothes and go down in my building to click pictures. And I recently got a haircut done, so I wanted to post a picture on that. So yeah, I'm just like clicking some pictures. My mom खींच देती है, and my sister has a own brand called Sazo, so I get all trendy clothes from there. So
tell
yeah,
us,
it's just
we spoke last year and you shared that you lost quite a lot of weight that time during lockdown. So उसके बाद एक साल में भी did you lose more weight?
No, I'm maintaining that weight now. Like I lost more 2-3 kgs, I guess, after that. But now I'm just maintaining it because I can't do the diet anymore, because that was like very, very, very tough. So now I eat whatever I want. I just maintain my weight and I do workouts.
So any particular diet you are following? How are you maintaining?
Like whenever I eat junk food or more high calorie food, I work out like sham ko, or ya to subah I work out pehle and then I eat junk food. So that's how it maintains.
Saloni, tell us what's up. How are you spending time at this time? Like lockdown में घर पे भी हो. What are you doing to keep yourself busy?
Again, we are talking in lockdown for part 2. So it's pretty much the same actually. Like पिछली बार I was like on a diet, I was losing weight, so मैं हमेशा excited होती थी मेरे weighing machine को देखने के लिए. Now I'm more excited to eat good food at home, because that's the only excitement I have now. कि मैं bed पे सोने से पहले यही सोचती हूँ कि कल कुछ अच्छा खाऊंगी, इसलिए मैं excited होती हूँ. And yeah, I make videos and friends के साथ chill करना. I watch a lot of web series and I try to give auditions, as much as online auditions as I can, to get some good work. And till then I'm planning to launch my YouTube channel also, so I'm working on that from home.
So tell us more about the reels. I have seen quite a few. If you can share that with audience too.
About the reels?
About the reels, yeah. Like how do you come up with the ideas and how do you shoot at home?
So I sit with my sister. She takes my workshops on how to build content and concept writing and script writing. So whenever we sit together, we think of a concept or content together, and then she tells me to write a short video on that. So मैं बहुत सारे videos लिखती हूँ, and then she tells me that this is nice, you can do a video on this. Then me and mom make videos with Rajesh or any trend that's going on. I like use it in my own content mind, so I change that trend according to me. तो yeah, that's all. मतलब जो भी concept आता है दिमाग में, जो भी trending चल रहा है, I like make a video on that with mom, with the help of mom and my sister. And I also try to take my family in it, because my dadi is also at home now, so I try to take her in my videos.
Which is the most loved one so far?
Video?
Yeah.
I recently did a video of all the emotions. वो सब कर रहे हैं ना अलग-अलग emotions के साथ. So I did that video, but it was on COVID. So how COVID is changing all the emotions. So I like that video pretty much.
So in a way, ये videos वगैरह करते-करते you are also building up on your skill set.
Yeah. I learn a lot through these videos. मैं characters कैसे play करना है वो सीखती हूँ now. I'm like pretty much good in playing Rajesh. So he is my second personality now, so I can do like whatever. जो मैं सलोनी बन के videos post नहीं कर सकती, वो मैं राजेश बन के post कर देती
So like
I
जैसे you are known as गंगूबाई, अभी आप एक ऑनलाइन अवतार ले रहे हो. How do you switch between the characters?
it's like an on off button for me. Like अगर my mindset होता है कि now I have to play this, so I wear that wig and my papa ke clothes that Rajesh has a lot of that clothes. So it's just on off button. Matlab I practice how to play Rajesh and I practice how to play Gangubai or any other character, and like I can do it easily if I practice it a lot of times. And I know that when I have to play Rajesh, I'm in that mindset of a boy, and I have to play Gangubai, I'm totally into Gangubai and I act like her, I behave like her. So it's easy, like just a on off button for me.
Saloni, tell us, like अभी लॉकडाउन के दौरान like you are making videos, shoot कहीं पे हो नहीं रहा है, and you are auditioning also. So do these videos also come to help when you are giving online auditions?
Yeah, so recently I got a lot of auditions because of my Instagram. So जैसे ही लॉकडाउन आ जाता है मेरे इंस्टाग्राम के पोस्ट्स काफ़ी बढ़ जाते हैं because I have a lot of time and I keep posting every day. So the previous 2-3 auditions that I gave, they came to me because of my Instagram content and my photos, and a lot of people still don't know that I've lost weight. So abhi bhi I get auditions for chubby girls, and so I have to tell them ki I've lost weight and I can't do this character. So still people don't know, and they're knowing this fact. So I'm getting some serious auditions also now because of my Instagram. They see my photos and I get it, and I'm enjoying it a lot. That I am doing some different characters and I'm learning things like how to do some intense acting and everything. So I'm liking it.
Whenever you get chubby roles, you are like, check out my Instagram profile, I'm no more that girl.
Yeah, and I send them my recent pictures. So
So have positive. Pardon?
I still get comedy roles also, even if I'm like not that chubby now. But now I'm started getting some serious roles.
So what kind of responses have you been getting so far?
The responses are pretty good. Like people are encouraging me and they're motivated. All my fans, they've sent me messages. How did you lose weight? How did you lose weight? So I'm making a YouTube video on that also. But कुछ लोग ऐसा भी बोलते हैं कि you don't look funny anymore because you're not fat. अब वो comedy नहीं लगते आप जितना comedy पहले लगते थे. But I don't think that's true. Like comedy comes within and it has nothing with your appearance. So yeah.
So what do you have to tell people who come with this mindset that ऐसे दिखोगे तो ऐसा role मिलेगा, वैसे दिखोगे तो like एक typecast कर देते हैं. What do you have to tell them? Yeah.
Like, so whenever I was chubby, I used to get roles of girls eating samosa और ऐसे character जिसको बस खाना पसंद होता है. Like I just want to tell people that these stereotypes are not good. If you're chubby, you eat samosa. If you're not chubby, you still eat samosas. मेरे सारे friends इतने पतले पतले लेकिन वो कितना कुछ खाते हैं. You work out, you maintain your weight. So these stereotypes, they should not matter to you. आप जैसे हो, आप जो करते हो सब सेम ही होता है. बस it's your mindset and you have to maintain that. So
And
I think we should stop these stereotypes in TV serials and web series of fat people only eating food and the heroines is not eating anything. मतलब सभी खाते हैं यार, सब लोग.
Right. And ऐसे time पे when you are getting roles of chubby person or like you are continuously, जैसे आपको comments मिलते हैं कि आप comedy नहीं like funny नहीं लगते हो because you have lost weight. So does it affect you mentally?
No, like I told you the last time that these comments and the people that they say to me does not affect me at all. जब मैं चबी थी तभी मैं राजेश करती थी. राजेश अब पतला हो चुका है तभी भी मैं राजेश करती हूँ. So I just keep on going and these people do not matter to me at all. Like I just want to give auditions and get good work and I want to explore some other sides of acting also other than comedy.
So you are wishing to get into mainstream like TV shows or like films? Like what kind of auditions roles are you opting for?
Right now, I really want to do some nice web series, like a sitcom. I will really enjoy doing that. Like I did a show called Teri Meri Family, but it was a TV show. But I would love to do a show like that on a web series, for a web series.
तो कैसे रोल्स ऑफर हो रहे हैं आपको अभी, लाइक टीवी से या वेब सीरीज से?
अभी मुझे वेब सीरीज से रोल्स ऑफर हो रहे हैं, मतलब टीनेज गर्ल्स के ऊपर या जो बच्चों के ऊपर शोज होते हैं उसके लिए, और कुछ कॉमेडी भी हो रहा है, कुछ ऐसे इंटेंस सीरियल्स के लिए भी हो रहा है, तो वो मेरे लिए काफ़ी नया है और मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है एक्चुअली वो ऑडिशंस देने में, क्योंकि मैं बार बार करती रहती हूँ और बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है देने को. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस.
एंड इंटेंस रोल के लिए हाउ हैव यू प्रेप्ड अप योरसेल्फ?
So I think like it happens, I don't know, like I haven't learned how to do it. Now I'm starting to take workshops on acting, like proper workshops, but I actually don't prep. I just read the script मेरे mom के साथ एक बार, I rehearse it and it happens. It like naturally it comes out whenever I do it.
Also, Saloni, since you are very young and you are willing to explore the OTT platforms and all, web series में content भी काफी bold होता है at times, unlike TV soaps and all. So, are you aware of that and like are you willing के अगर कुछ ऐसे scenes हो, like are you willing to do it?
Actually, I've not thought about it, but I don't think it's a big deal if you're an actor. You are an actor and you are playing roles of people and you're living their lives. So, and I think web series में तो ये अभी normalize होने लगा है, तो मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं और मुझे कभी actually ऐसा offer भी नहीं हुआ है. So, मैं देखूँगी जब मुझे offer होगा. So.
And how was studies going on?
Studies, so my college life is very depressing. I thought that my first year college is gonna be so happening. I got a college that I wanted to go in, but my first year is over online ही. अब जून में मेरा second year start हो जाएगा, which is very sad because college life was something I wanted to live पूरा अच्छे से. But I just hope कि 3 साल ही होते हैं, तो I just hope कि last year तो college जाने मिले. But I'm studying online only. BMM.
But is it upsetting at times कि college life नहीं हो रहा है? You don't have friends around. मतलब college के friends होते हैं इतने. You don't have that. You are like cooped up in your house. Does it get too?
Yeah, I am very restless and anxious at sometimes. बहुत बार आधा दिन तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती, क्या करूँ उसमें ही मेरा दिन चला जाता है. I'm very anxious. I have made a lot of friends online from my college, but वो physical college का अलग ही मज़ा होता है that I have not experienced yet. So it is very sad, and but then the situation going outside and I'm seeing what's the situation और लोग कैसे struggle कर रहे हैं. So I know that ये सब काफ़ी छोटे problems है and कभी ना कभी तो ये ख़त्म होने ही वाला है. So I'm sure that मैं मेरे friends से मिलूँगी college में, but till then I have to like keep going जितना हो सके. But I'm very anxious and restless at times.
So who do you talk to at these times when you get anxious?
I just call up my friends, we play games or we watch online movies. Yeah, so I go to my mom or sister and we start making some videos and we create some concepts. Then I'm all normal again. And the same routine the other day.
Saloni, like we were talking about stereotype earlier, child actors से lead actress बनने में काफी like at times actors take a break as well. Like you have been a comedian, you have been part of shows as well. It's a growing up process. So, are you willing to play like a main lead? अगर टीवी पे थोड़ा older character play करने को मौका मिले, will you do it?
Like at this age of mine, if I get a character of a married woman or ऐसे कोई older woman, so I will not like to play that right now because मुझे अभी भी कुछ TV serials के लिए आते हैं कि married woman है, वो साड़ी पहन के और बहू सास बहू वो. At this age, I don't think that I'm willing to do it because right now the roles I want are like teenage, मेरे age के roles ही चाहिए. मतलब I don't want to play some older woman on television right now. मतलब I think everything has a time and proper age, so I don't want to play those roles right now.
Like many of our contemporary actors are also playing older roles. Abhi. Like they are not saying no to it. So, what's your take in it?
It's just my opinion that I don't want to play such roles right now. Like they are doing it. It's working for them. They're working and they have like good serials with good TRPs. So it's just my opinion that according to me, I think I should not do it because फिर पता नहीं, I just don't want to do it right now.
Then again, you fear के stereotype हो जाओगे.
हाँ, and then I want to live my teenage life and फिर वो every day on a daily soap wearing a sari and acting like a married woman and all that is, I've not thought about it right now, so I'll do it when like a proper age.
चलो ना अभी pandemic के दौरान many celebrities are part of many initiatives. They are advising people to follow safety norms and all. How are you being a part of? Are you a part of any cause, or what advice would you give to the citizens?
I'm not a part of any cause, but I constantly tell my followers to stay at home and whenever I get some DMs of people needing something, like they need oxygen or some blood donator or something, then I hit up my friends जो story डालते हैं. So I keep helping the people from my DMs like constantly जिनको ज़रूरत है. So I'm doing that, and I also donate sometimes my friends and everything.
Also, in these times, Saloni, we have noticed that like actors, when they are posting on social media and all, like normal, regular posts, and like people are trolling, why are you stepping out? Why are you going out? Why are you posting this, posting that? Have you faced any such comment आपके Instagram पे या social media पे?
मतलब मैं कहीं बाहर गई नहीं हूँ अब तक ताकि मुझे लोग बोल पाए, but it's just that whenever I don't post about something on Instagram, then people बोलते हैं कि आपने ये कैसे बोल दिया, आपने वो कैसे बोल दिया, और अगर मैं करूँ पोस्ट तो कि आपने ये कैसे पोस्ट कर दिया, आपने ये क्यों नहीं पोस्ट किया. So it's very confusing at times कि लोगों को चाहिए क्या है. So I just try to stay low key and I try to help जितना मैं help कर सकूँ.
And what keeps you positive and sane all the time?
The thought that one day the pandemic is gonna get over and I'm gonna go to Ladakh with my friends and enjoy a proper vacation. अब मेरा birthday भी आने वाला है, again a second lockdown birthday, it's gonna happen. So yeah, just the positive things that are gonna happen eventually after this pandemic. And my work, like I constantly try to keep myself positive and happy with my work.
And thank you so much for taking our time and speaking to us. It was great talking to you, Saloni. All the best. Thank you.
You take care.
Yeah, you
See
too.
you
Take
soon.
care. Stay safe.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Yes, stay safe. Bye.